Today we talk about how can you save on your Groupon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first. So you just here choose any ticket you want to save in this list. I'm going to click here to this ticket here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you like this here. It's going to show for you like this, and you click on this sign here. Sorry, when you just click here on this sign, so like you see here, it's going to save with us automatically here. When you go to your saved list, when you click on it here, so then in this list here, just switching to open video, you will find it here saved video in this list here. So that's all you have to do to save any tickets here on your Groupon app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.